If you're wondering if your child is having tongue-tied or lip-tied issues, and if there's a way to avoid surgery, this video is going to be for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to live a life of optimal health and well-being for the last 20 years through natural means, without drugs and surgery. One thing that I've run into a lot, especially recently, is newborns who have been having difficulty with something that's called tongue tie or lip tie. This is when the tissues between the top lips and the gums, or the palate of the mouth on bottom and the tongue, wind up connecting and not fully wind up reabsorbing. It can lead to difficulty with baby latching on for nursing, having difficulty with staying latched on for nursing, or making it painful. The child can wind up having difficulty with things like colic, and can be irritable and cranky, and it can be difficult for both mom and baby. Now, this is something that happens for a small percentage of people. However, when it does, there's lots of questions to ask and lots of things to not know what to do about. Some of the things that I've found that really can be helpful and can be successful for the baby is to, one, check and make sure that their head was set on right. For most babies, their first traumas wind up occurring at delivery or even before. And these traumas can cause difficulty with proper growth and development, particularly within the oral space, that can make these difficulties happen. If you or your child's experiencing that, they need to connect with a chiropractor who's wound up working with young children, because the nerves that come out at the very top and are stressed really hard during delivery are ones that are primarily responsible for this process to happen. There also is great resources that you can find from lactation specialists. And there are procedures that can be done, surgical or laser procedures, to wind up opening that area up. But you've got to wind up finding out the reason why this happened, so that once you do take care of it, it winds up not causing a sequelae of other problems, because the problem wasn't the tongue tie or the lip tie, it was something going on in their head and their neck. If you've got more questions about this, go ahead and write them down below. If you'd like to see if we can help, reach out to our office. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.